Hello, welcome to DocuLife. Let's take the next minute or minute and a half to quickly show you the most important things about the DocuLife interface and get you going on the right foot. The screen that we're viewing now should be very similar to the one that you have after signing up. Here's the Getting Started folder, also here. Click on that to view relevant videos, tutorials, and other help docs to get you going if you're stuck. Over here on the left-hand side are what we call public binders. These are examples of binders that you could subscribe to and check out. They range from movie trailers to cooking to physics and so on. Simply click on a tile and then click subscribe to add it to your binder collection. You can unsubscribe or hide these later on if you don't wish to follow them any longer. Here's an area where you can drag all of your favorite binders. Simply drag the card into the area. See how the dotted line shows up? And it will be added there as your favorites. This will be handy as you get more and more binders to create a space for those that you access the most. To create a new binder, click on the large tile with the plus sign or the small icon up here in the top right hand corner. You'll be asked to enter a name. You can give it a name. Let's give it Test Binder. And your binder will be created. This is the binder detail page. As you can see from the helpful arrows here, pointing out helpful elements on the page, this is where you will click to upload things. You can modify your binder settings like adding a large header graphic, side rail graphic, and even your company logo if desired. Here is a name. You can click this to edit at any time, add emojis. You can add a section by clicking this here. Let's add one now. New section. The section toolbar shows you all the handy tools that are relevant to sections. You can favorite a section, quickly add widgets, change the section color, rearrange sections if you have more than one, add a description to your section. Click this and you can simply start typing section description. You can delete the section or even minimize it. To add a section above or below, simply click one of these here. Another handy tip that isn't readily obvious is that you can drag and drop files directly onto a section and start uploading. You can also drag and drop files directly onto the plus sign to start uploading. Let's open this and see what we have. At the top it tells us what binder we're adding things to. The first sections, 1 and 2, are completely optional. Here you can upload directly into a section or create an album and also add tags. If you wish to get your things directly into DocuLife fast, click this to choose them from your file browser or simply drag and drop files onto the dotted rectangle. Let's go ahead and upload a few things now just to see how it works. So I'm going to drag and drop some things over and here they are uploading. To view your upload, simply click the plus sign and you can see each one uploading individually. You can cancel the upload if there is any problems by using this button at the bottom. Simply minimize and you're back here. You can close the upload window at any time and the upload will continue in the background. When it's complete, you'll get a summary card at the end telling you all about your upload. If you wish to add or move photos or copy things into different sections, into different binders, let's move things into the section below. So I'm going to call this my favorite photos. As you hover over a card, you can expand it, you can favorite it, flag it. There's some additional options here on the side rail. Or, like we're going to do now, select it. So I'm going to select all of these since I didn't upload them directly into a section. And as you can see, this handy menu appears. I'm going to click Move, and then my binder will show up and my new section. I'll click to select it, and then just click Move here. Now all my files or photos that I uploaded are moved into my favorite photos section. Pretty cool, right? If you have any questions at all, just click the chat bubble in the lower right-hand corner, and we'll be glad to help you. You can even search our help articles right from here. Pretty handy, right? I hope you